Hi! Welcome, and thank you for having clicked this video. Now you are going to listen and learn about our conversation with my student. Without waiting, let's begin. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thank you for asking. Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes, I am. What are we going to learn about today?
Today, we will focus on basic vocabulary related to food and drinks. We'll start with some common food items. Let us begin with fruits. Can you name a few fruits you know?
Sure. I know apples, bananas, and oranges.
Great job! Those are indeed common fruits. Now, let us move on to vegetables. Can you think of a few vegetables?
Yes, I know carrots, tomatoes, and potatoes.
Excellent! Now, let us learn about some beverages. Can you name a few drinks you are familiar with?
Yes, I know water, milk, and orange juice.
Perfect! Now, let us practice using these words in sentences. For example, you can say, I like apples. Or I drink water every day. Can you create a sentence using a fruit or a vegetable?
I like bananas.
Great job! How about creating a sentence using a beverage?
I drink milk with breakfast.
Wonderful! Now, let us move on to another topic. How about learning some basic greetings? Repeat after me. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Very good. Now, let us try another one. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Goodbye, have a nice day.
Excellent. Now, let us practice a short conversation using these greetings. Pretend I'm your friend, and we're meeting each other.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Goodbye, you too. Well done. Keep practicing these greetings with friends and family.
Thank you. I will.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you would like to learn? Or any questions you have?
Not right now, thank you. I had a great time in this lesson.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, practice is the key to improving your language skills. See you next time.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, take care.